Hi everyone. Today's class is all about the endocrine system. The one of the most important systems of human body that regulates and controls the complete balance of our human system, human mechanism. So let's look into it briefly and in detail. So what is endocrine system? Endocrine system is a system of glands that makes hormones. Hormones are nothing but proteins that travel through the bloodstream and reach its destined cells or destined organs to implement or functions. In one way we can say that these endocrine system or these hormones are the communication system of the body, the way the organs communicate with each other, the way the systems communicate with each other, the way the cells communicate with each other to organize the complete human body systematically, to work out efficient functioning of the human body for a balanced, hormonal, efficient, effective functioning of our daily routine. So this is the complete picture of the glands that are present in the endocrine system. The pituitary gland that is responsible for production of many hormones, almost 9 different hormones like prolactin, oxytocin and many other hormones, and this hypothalamus, the smallest gland that is present in the brain region, is responsible for controlling the pituitary gland and many other glands. The thyroid gland that is present in the oral cavity, the throat cavity, thoracic cavity. This affects the metabolism among other things. Metabolism, or you can say the weight control or the energy level or the internal body temperature, is maintained by thyroid gland. And then parathyroid, this regulates the calcium level in the body. And then adrenaline glands, this triggers the fight and flight response. Fight and flight means the way you respond to a situation, the immediate response that you make for a situation, for a good or a bad, is triggered by adrenaline gland. Pancreas, that regulate the sugar level in your body. Testis is the main sex hormone of the males. Ovary, the main sex hormone for the females. And then moving ahead, this is the complete picture of the hormones released in our human body. The pineal gland, which secretes melatonin. The pituitary gland, which secretes 9 different hormones: prolactin, oxytocin, vasopressin, growth hormone, and then follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, many other hormones. And then hypothalamus, again it has dopamine, somatostatin, vasopressin and many other hormones. Thyroid has T3, T4, parathyroid has calcitonin and PTH. The liver has its own hormones and adrenaline hormone and noradrenaline hormone. Kidney has calcitrol, renin and erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is very important for the production of RBC. Testis, important for production of androgens, estradiol and inhibin, the main hormones of male body. Uterus secretes prolactin and relaxin, the main hormones responsible for childbirth. Ovary and placenta, the secrete the estrogen, progesterone, the ruling hormones of female body. Pancreas secrete insulin, glucagon and somatostatin, the sugar controlling hormones of the human body. Stomach has its own hormones responsible for digestion. So this is how the hormone works. See, these are the secreting cells or the secreting glands. These secrete secretory molecules or the hormones that enter the bloodstream and travel through the bloodstream and reach their target cells. And the moment they reach the target cells, they bind up to the receptor and they activate themselves and work their respective functions. Be it be cell division, be it be hair growth, be it be weight control, be it be sugar control, whatever it be. So the moment it reaches the target cell, it binds to its receptor and gets activated and performs its function. So here is the animation video for you to understand it better. So here you can see the human body. we have the all different glands located all over the body, and each gland gets stimulated or activated and secrete the secretory molecules. These secretory molecules enter the bloodstream, travel through the bloodstream till it reaches its target cell. And the moment it reaches its target cell, they bind to the receptors, they get activated, and once they get activated, they perform their concerned unique function like cell division, hair growth, whatever. And the most important is there is a small part in brain region called hypothalamus, the smallest gland. This gland has many neurotransmitters. See, these neurotransmitters, they control many different aspects of human body, like even sleep, the sleep wake cycle, the circadian rhythm of human body. And the pituitary gland, that is responsible for production of 9 different hormones. You can see the production of all different 9 hormones here. These are responsible for production of erythropoietin in the kidneys, or the prolactin in the uterus, or the responsible for the skin pigmentation, or they are responsible for even the bone function. See, here you can see the skin pigmentation, here you can see the bone strength. So you can see how a single gland or the endocrine system is ruling the complete body by its different functions and their unique functions. So friends, this is all about today's class, the endocrine system. Hope you understand, hope you enjoyed. That's all for today. Thank you.